Holy moly. First time ever riding in the snow right now. First time ever riding any kind of machine in the snow. It is about 4 degrees outside right now here in Kansas. And there's about 1.5 to 2 inches of snow on the ground. And I've been trying to convince my dad all day to let me go ride. And I'm riding, so. I've never ridden anything in the snow. I tried to ride the motorized bike in the snow, but I mean, it's a motorized bike and it's on a bicycle, and it's a beach cruiser bicycle with absolutely no suspension, and it's a cruiser type, so I mean, you can just kind of imagine how difficult that was. This is actually pretty fun. I mean, some of you may be wondering, you know, you're on a motorcycle, there's snow on the ground, and it's 4 degrees Fahrenheit, which I don't know how many that is in Celsius. Probably like -10 in Celsius, maybe? About -7 to -10 Celsius, but it's pretty fucking cold. So, yeah, I have 2 pairs of gloves on. My fingers are getting a bit nippy already, but I'm doing good. I got like a gator neck sort of thing around my neck to keep my neck warm. I got a hat on underneath my helmet, and I got these thick-ass ski goggles. That's what my camera's mounted on right now. I'm just peeling out, literally. I'm only just peeling out. This is awesome. Whoa! Woo! So, okay, and then underneath that, I have 3 pairs of socks. This is so fun! Oh my god, this is so fun. This is so fun. Holy shit. Oh! Woo! Okay, anyway. I got 3 pairs of socks. I have regular underwear on, and then I have long underwear. It's like that thermal shit supposed to keep you warmer. And then, surprisingly, my front end is doing very good. I mean, my back end is sliding like freaking crazy out from under me, but my front end, it's got good grip. It's got really good grip. My front end is not really moving at all. I mean, I'm basically drifting around corners right now. Whoa! I just jinxed myself. So fun! Whoa! Oh man. And then I have a pair of jeans and a pair of sweatpants, and I got coveralls. It is chilly. Oh shit. so much fun, like legit. Okay, on to snowy driveway. Oh my god, my dad's probably flipping his shit right now. This is fun. Holy shit, this is fun. There we go. There we go. That's sweet. I got a wreck on camera. Oh my god. Oh, I was asking for it too. What? I'm fine. My dad's pissed.